Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up a Wise account in India. तो चलो शुरू करते हैं. So first, what we're going to have to do is come at the top right and click on register. Here we are at wise.com. And all you need to do is either you can choose Google, Facebook, Apple, or even enter your email address right here. I'll go and sign up with Google. That's the fastest way. Go and choose your email account. I'll choose this one right here. And then click on continue. Okay, they're going to get access to your name, email address, and a profile picture. So now we need to choose what kind of account we would like to open. So either a personal one or a business account. Okay, so if you want to spend or receive money, you could do this one. If you want to do business or freelance work internationally, choose this one. I'll do a personal one. And here, they're going to ask you for a country or region. So we'll go ahead and choose India. You can even type it in. You'll find it right there. Go ahead and click on continue. And now we reach this section. They're going to explain what you can actually do with Wise in India with a personal account. So you can send money abroad, but you cannot do these things. So just keep that in mind. If you want to do these things, you might go ahead and create a business account. Go ahead and click on continue. And then you need to enter your phone number and verify that. And then you just set up a password and you're done. You have your Wise account. So itna aasan hai, guys. Make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to find your solution.